It's quite easy to install Prototype 2 graphics mod with that textures and all that. What you gotta do is open up setup and press next, press agree, browse, and you'll have to choose the folder of your Prototype 2, which is here for me. So this is my Prototype 2. Okay, next, install. The tough part comes after that, and this is why a lot of you actually requested a tutorial on how this works. So here we are. It's being extracted to the folder and hit finish. The problem with this is that I couldn't make a direct launcher, as I have multiple texture files, for different textures. So what we can do is go down, we will find text mod, so open that up, select Prototype 2 high res, or this one allows you to launch at 4K, but it's your choice. So just click on that, click browse. This one is the original texture. These are just skins. So if you don't want to use skins like white skin, camo skin, black skin, this one comes with a pretty cool black jacket with dragon print. But if you just want to use the regular one, click on this and then press run. It's gonna take us a while to start the game. Because of the textures, it takes a little bit of time to load, but it should be done within a few seconds. And once we're done with loading, I'll show you how we can use different Reshade preset to match the time of the game and just use the right preset. A lot of you already know, so you can just skip this part. But if you are not sure how to operate Reshade and choose my preset, I'm gonna show you. So the game's open. I'll wait until the game's totally opened, and I'll also wait until this annoying intro is done playing. Now we can click on continue. Okay, so press FN. Oh god. So press FN home, or just press home like how I show you here. You'll see this page. Now it is selected night extra, so this is for night time, but you can select the overall one, which is this. It looks better. I'm gonna go to another map. A lot of you already know, but I'm gonna show you how to go to another map and maybe try the night mod as well. So here we are. It's a little tricky to change the time of the game, and also to change the location, because you'll have to change fast travel using this helipad, and you can't use it as the mutant. So we'll go to this location. Hopefully it is at night time, because I want to show you the night time here. Okay, so we are at night time. You can see that there's glowing, there's the RTGI effect. You can see the blue light coming out on the floor. That's ray tracing, not RTGI, but ray tracing global illumination using other effects. So let me select night extra. There, this gives you a different vibe. This one gives you a different vibe too. It makes everything brighter. There's more, global illumination effect. Everything more kind of pops up for the night time. And that's it. So thank you. I'll close the game now.